Maya, I want you to shoot a deer, okay?
I will.
I want you to shoot anything that walks out. Michael, I enjoy you always coming back. You're welcome here anytime. You know that.
I appreciate you, Fred.
I want you to get your first deer. You know what happens if you miss, right?
Yeah.
What happens?
Your shirt gets cut off.
Well, I'm not cutting your shirt off. I'll cut your shirt tail. Your mama would kill me if I cut your shirt off. Michael, you going to be out there with her?
I'll be out there with her.
I think we're just going to put you in the blind.
All right.
That's a good spot, and then later on we'll put you in the tree stand, okay?
All right, let's do it.
Peace and happy hunting. Maya. Maya. Big 12 point out here. Hurry. There's a big 12 point out here. You better hurry. You gonna shoot the deer or not? Time to get up. Hey Maya, you gonna shoot a deer this morning?
Yeah.
A big one?
Yeah.
A little one?
Big one.
Yeah, I don't care if it's got spots on it. You shoot it. It'll be your first deer. Michael behind the cabinet. Well, I just heard Maya, my veteran youth hunter, shoot. So I'm going to walk up there and see what she got. They are sitting right up there in that blind. Beautiful scenery, isn't it? Hopefully she got her deer, and it will be her first deer. Are you killing my deer? Think you got a good hit? You let the 8-point walk.
I couldn't find it in my scope.
You gotta speak up.
I couldn't find it in my scope.
Well, maybe you got your first deer.
I say give it a little bit of time before we go in there. But I think she got it. Mule kicked. Look good.
Put out a lot of smoke, didn't it?
Yeah.
All right, Maya, you got blood. Hey, you can take your mask off now. Got blood there. Blood on the tree. There's blood over here. There's blood right there. There's a lot of blood over here. Right there. You go ahead. Hey, Michael. Keep following the blood, Maya.
See all that blood up there?
Michael. Keep following the blood. Look up here a little bit, Maya. It was going in that direction. There's blood right there, Maya.
Right down the inside, see? Go. Got blood?
You still following the blood? guess you're not following the blood anymore, huh? Why not, Maya? Maya, how come you're not following the blood anymore? You found what? What deer? Well, you gotta show it to me. It's not a bad sized deer. Let your dad hold the gun. Or lean it against a tree or something. Show me what you got. Let me see that bad boy. Congratulations. Let me get a picture now. Get up there, Maya. Hold on. You didn't have it all the way in gear. Hole. You always check your blood, right? You got to make sure that your blood's good and red, right? Right? Good and red. Now look at your dad. Your first deer. It's a tradition getting blooded. Congratulations. I'm proud of her.
Is I don't usually hang them, but you can cut from the butthole. But since we're doing it like this, we can go ahead and pinch.
Oh, you don't want to hang it?
Huh?
No,
I'm just saying how I use. It's just a different how I used to do it. So what you want to do here? Pinch it. You want me put your poke hole in here, just right here through the skin. Don't poke your finger. And we're just gonna make a slit, okay? So make sure you don't poke your fingers. Pull at the skin. Get behind your fingers, right here. Okay. Just don't cut your fingers. Just make a little initial look. Okay. Go all the way through. Okay. Good job. And then take your finger away. Now just kind of cut it towards you. Okay.
Maya, tell me about your hunt here on my land.
So first in the morning we saw a 8-point, but then I didn't have like a clear shot in my scope for that, so it walked away, sadly.
It walked away?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to let the big ones walk away. Was you upset?
A little.
A
yeah.
little? So then what happened?
Then about like 20 minutes later, a spike came out of the woods out of like nowhere, and my dad made it stop by yelling at it, and then I shot it.
You shot a spike?
Yeah.
So what happened next?
Then we went to go look for it, and there was at first no blood because of the bullet, but then we found like a little blood, and then we found a lot, and then we followed the blood trail, and then we found the deer.
You found your, wow, it's your first deer, isn't it?
Yeah.
I am so proud of you. I really am. And I enjoyed having Michael and you here on my land, and I'm definitely going to get y'all to come back. Next time you got to kill one of those monsters though, right?
Yeah.
Peace and happy hunting. Michael, did you have fun?
I had a blast.
So what do you think about the land here in Hopkins County?
It's loaded with deer. We saw plenty of deer. Saw a good 8-point. Didn't get on them. She saw a spike. And yeah, definitely a good.
So you think you want to come back?
Oh yeah, we'll be back.
Well, I'm definitely going to invite you all back.